Hello everyone, this is Afifa from Fundoo and I have yet another video, and in this video we are learning how to use numbers and create pictures. So I've first taken the number 1, and with that you can see I'm making a boat. That's how you can make a very small boat or ship, whatever you can call it, with using the first number. Then the second number that I'm going to take is 2. So we'll go line wise. So I first made a 2, and then I'll make another one keeping in a line with the first one, then making a kind of a semicircle and then giving it a taily look, making the eyes, the beak, and finally the body. And obviously, since it's on water, it swims in the water, it's like a swan, so I've made water. Now number 3, we'll see how with number 3 we can make a rabbit. So I first made a 3 and then join the first one, giving it a few detailed looks, as in the eye, the ears, and the tail, and finally making the leg. Since I am using a sketch pen, I'll very carefully do it. You can use a pencil, and if in case you make any mistakes you can redo, and then of course you can use a pen and do it over and go over it. Now we'll take number 4. Here I'm using a pencil because then we need to erase the line later on. So I first made a pencil. I first made number 4 with a pencil, and then I'll make 2 circles, then nose, and then the mouth, and then now I'll make an oval to give it the mouth look. Now I'll join both. I hope you can follow it nicely. Making the ears and all the details, and then making the body of the same by using slanting lines and semicircles, and then making the tail, and now I'll make the legs. Okay, and then we'll complete the body and color it to give it a nice look. So I think these are pretty easy, and I have colored it, and now the pencil thing that was the lines that were left, we're just going to erase it. Okay, I hope you're able to follow, because I think I have a bad throat, so I think you are able to follow without any problems. I'm really excusing myself for that. Now number 5. With 5 we are going to make an apple. So first made letter 5, and then now a leaf, and then the second leaf, and this was pretty simple. Now we will move to number 6. So I just made a 6, and now I'm just going to go a little more in, and then I'll use my pen and make it a kind of a fuller shape, and then make the body, and guess what, it comes out to be a snail. And then we given the details like the eyes and the antennas, and then the mouth look. Now we'll move to the number 7. I'm really sorry, it's the number 7. With this we'll make an umbrella. So we first made number 7, and then we are going to make a few lines and the handle, and our umbrella is ready. Next comes number 8. So see, these are pretty simple to make. With 8 we are going to make a bird. So those are the wings, this is the body, and now the mouth and the face. See how easy these are. Now if we want to make this, we wonder what to do, how to make, but now you can make these with using just few numbers. Now we are making a fan with the letter 9. So just made the letter 9 and then went over the circle of 9, the semicircle of 9, and then made the lines and the handle. I hope you are having a good time in learning. Okay, now let's see the numbers. With 1 I made a ship. With 2 we made a swan. With 3 we learned how to make a rabbit. With 4 we made a cow. With 5 we made an apple. With 6 we made a snail. With 7 we made an umbrella. With 8 we made a bird. With 9 we made a fan. Lastly we learned how to use letter number 10 and draw. Till then I hope you're having a good time and in learning these pretty simple diagrams. Now we'll use number 10. So 1 and 0. Now with 1 I will try and make a bat. So just kind of give it a bat look from the bottom and then the same line and finally making the handle. And it is pretty simple to make a ball. So I made a ball.